Hello and welcome to this Excel concept video. In this video, I will be going over the basic definitions, layout, and setup of Excel workbooks. When you first open Excel, the main page provides options for creating or opening a workbook. To open a previously created workbook, you can select it from the list of recently edited workbooks. You can also select the Open tab and find the workbook on your computer. I am going to be creating a new workbook by selecting Blank Workbook and then clicking Create. Once we have a workbook open, there are some vocabulary words that are beneficial to know. The bar at the top of the screen is called the menu bar. This is where you will access the File, Edit, and other tabs. Right below the menu bar, you will find the ribbon. This has multiple tabs for inserting, editing, and formatting the information within the workbook. Just below the ribbon on the left, there is the name box. This box shows what cell you currently have selected or are editing. To the right of the name box, you have the formula bar. This is one of the ways that you can see and edit the text within a cell. Continuing down, you will see the sheet. The columns go horizontally along the sheet and are labeled by letters. Rows go vertically down the sheet and are labeled by numbers. When you select a single square, it is known as a cell. Cells are identified by the column and row that is selected. When creating a new sheet, you can click on the plus sign at the bottom of the workbook. To rename a sheet, you can right-click on the current title and select Rename, or you can double-click and edit the name. Additionally, you can right-click and select Tab Color to add a color to the tab. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in learning more, I recommend going to our YouTube page. We have more videos about Excel as well as other programs.